Hi, I'm Liz.
And I'm Leanne.
And we're the Old Lady Wives. And for the next 6 weeks,
we'll be living in our micro trailer. In the next episode, we head to our favorite campground near Moab, attempt 4x4ing, and try to find a secret house cave.
And we're bringing you along with us. Hi. Wow, you guys are beautiful.
We are at Needles Overlook. Needles is a national park, but it's way down there and you go in at the other end. But there's this nice side road that comes down along the highway. It brings you to the top of Needles so you can have an overlook.
Leanne is a horsey.
I'm a horse.
She's a horsey. She's horsing around.
Do you want to see the most amazing sight ever for your eyes? Ever? Every time I look at this, I just cannot believe how much it just blows me away. Have a look. Wasn't that incredible?
All down there, you can see there's multiple roads down there. You could probably mountain bike on there as well. But today is not the day because there's been 2 days of rain.
And this red mud turns into cement. Wreck your bike chain, wreck your tires on your vehicle.
Today is my way older brother's birthday. Happy birthday, Steve. Happy 68th birthday, Steve. You're sure getting old man. Whoa. So incredible. Absolutely magnificent. This is definitely one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to.
Wherever you see green down there, where trees are growing, that's the Colorado River. Just walking through some red rocks. I love red rocks. Red rocks are my favorite color of rocks. They're really fun to ride because they're sandstone. So your bike tires stick to them. So you can go up almost in a 45-degree angle. Look at me, surrounded. Surrounded by gloriousness. Surrounded by awesomeness.
All right, we're gonna continue our explorations for the day. Looking for a secret cave. All that rain. You can smell the sage out here. It's just everywhere. We're just checking out this road here if we want to drive down it because it's red dirt, and this red dirt, it has rained the last couple days, so we don't want to get stuck. What do you think?
Yeah.
Should we attempt it? We're going to attempt it.
Oh, smell that sage.
Let's go smell the sage.
Oh, yeah.
So good, so good, so good. She's an expert driver. I'm walking. I'm gonna guide Leanne. Here she comes. She did it. She navigated the slick rock like a professional.
Amazing. And feel how warm it is.
Wow. So this is
no heat.
Wow, it's so warm in here. And this is a secret cave house in the middle of nowhere. And this is even more incredible than the secret monk cave that we found.
Yes.
Wow. Look at this.
Yeah. Wow.
This is incredible. Got a couple beds here.
Oh, we got some fireworks.
Right there is a shower. Leanne is showering, pretend showering. Right down there is an outhouse. So this looks kind of like a storage area.
They used to keep the horses in here, apparently.
A woodworking table right here. You could do stuff on. Look at this.
Paper.
This is all rock. This is all amazing. So amazing. Got a wheelbarrow there. Pans. Incredible. Okay, we're heading up back to the car. Want to get out of here before the rain starts. Amazing. A secret house cave in the rocks. Leanna's hightailing it out of here.
Oh, that was nerve-wracking and fun, and I'm so glad that I did it.
But I'm so glad we got off that red dirt road before the rain starts. There's been a few drops.
Yeah.
Back to camp we go. Leanne is busy preparing the fire because we are going to cook a meal in the lodge tonight. So as she's doing that, I'm gonna prep up the food. I'll show you what it is. So tonight we are having ground beef, riced cauliflower, some brown rice, diced tomatoes, carrots, and some cilantro, and an onion. Let's go see how the fire's doing. So I have the lodge on the grill here, heating it up, getting it nice and hot for our dinner. And the sun has come out. Amazing.
Yay.
And the sky is blue. There is blue skies coming.
Oh, right.
Blue sky is coming. This is so exciting.
Right on.
Look at it.
Liz is now putting in her secret ingredients, so you can't watch this part. In goes the rice, and I just want to tell you, this is just brown rice and water. Nothing added. We're shocked, and it's very handy camping.
Now Leanne is putting in the diced tomatoes.
With garlic and olive oil. This is Liz's favorite type of tomatoes. His favorite brand, all of it.
All of it.
That's why it comes with us to the States.
Yeah. Now we let it cook up. Probably be ready in about 15 minutes.
Oh, it smells good.
This looks like it's ready to eat to me.
Looks like dinner. Just needs
Salt? Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, we're gonna dish this up. Tomorrow we are going to leave, head to St. George, Utah, so we can do a bunch of mountain biking. All right, anyways, we are just gonna sit and enjoy this fire now, and we will see you in the morning, and we will let you know where we're headed.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.
Good morning. Well, we are still in just outside of Moab, Utah, freezing to death. Heading out today to southern Utah where it's much warmer. Hopefully to find a good camping spot there. Liz is outside doing her duties, which is workhorse, never stop. And yeah, so we're just gonna load up and head out. We'll see you on the road. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.